Bobby Cindy, Rachel Sales, RCY Bobby, Bobby, so Archer natin po, ano ba natin yung natin kahapon? Kanina, magpapaltamas, ano pa? Bang Shelter, Team Balance, ano ang kaya mo? Bali Balloon, game ka na ba? Ha? 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 Egg drop. Alam niyo, lahat ng mga inaral natin kanina, lalo na yung nalabas ng topic kanina sa Pilipinas. I'm very proud na nakikita ko naman sa inyo. No? Kasi mga natutunan ninyo, paano kayo may pag-communicate. So, hindi natin maiwasan na lamang na yung purpose ng kalaban. Kailangan i-remind ni Kuya na, relax lang, it's not about playing. Hindi nyo kailangan ma-stress, gusto nyo manalo, it's fine. It's all about the journey. Ano manalo? Focus na yun. It becomes those things that happen to you will be a part of you in the future. At sana, mag-better future. Again, we are not undergoing change. We are all undergoing what? Development. Hindi tayo isang islang nagbabago. Developing tayo. So, kung kanina, hindi maganda yung naging experience ninyo, ito ang susunod, you will use those experiences para mas maganda pang experience sa susunod. Tama? Tama?
Siyempre po. Siyempre po.
Sige. So, without further ado, ano ba, i-recognize na muna natin yung mga tao muna na nakakompleto ng kanilang YBMC course, no? So, kapag tinawag yung pangalan na candy go here in front, Group 1 and Group 2, atras na pala ng ating para may space dito lahat. Okay?
Nakumot eh. Video ko eh.
Okay, so before I award these certificates, may I call on McGiver to join me here in front. Ako kuha na lang ng picture. Mustafa, bigyan mo na, para mo masiliman ng cellphone mo para makuha tayo ng picture. So before I proceed with giving out our certificates, let me read the citation. Philippine Red Cross Rizal Chapter, Paranaque City Branch, a member of the International Federation of the Red Crescent and Red Cross Societies, presents this certificate of attendance to for having completed 16 hours of the Youth Volunteer Formation course, given in this 12th day of October 2025 at Baclaran Elementary School, Central Baclaran, Paranaque City. Signed, Lebron S. Hernandez, from City Instructor, and our chapter service representative for Red Cross Youth, Ate Charlotte Novio. So when I call your name, time to go in front and receive your certificate. And pila muna hanggang sa matuloy lahat, then isang kuhaan na lang. Okay? So first, may I recognize Jeff Atanos.
Tapat doon! Tapat doon!
Congratulations. At pila mo na doon. Congratulations. Next, Nico Alcani.
Pogi ko talaga na binibidyo.
Jana Ali.
Wala, wag na. I-zoom natin sa mukha.
Daniel Jerish Bakayan.
Baka bakla yan.
Congratulations. Narahana Marco.
Sobra pa rin ako. Baka nga di ka makuha eh.
Joseph Rafael Taara. Taraan. Sorry. Congratulations. Princess Denise Bodo. Congratulations. Dito lang. Jaireen Tarion. James Matthew Matthew Paliado.
Ano, all? Pakak, dol.
Shagin Espana. Maisie Julia Espinosa. Wayne Bodes. Margot Rukia Lofton. Dapat ha. Congratulations. Mark Trista, Nakawite. Micaela Francesca Martinez. Janame Marinda. Congratulations. Juanina Montor. Congratulations. Wendy Martel.
Ba't di ka matawag?
Isa din. Congratulations. Happiness Award.
O, di ba di ka matawag?
Congratulations. Denise Ann Perginal. Sofia Elisa Ray.
Kaya nga. Mamaya ka daw pag-ano.
Congratulations. Kyla Francesca Rivera. Zarin Trizel Sabalero. Congratulations. Daisy May Salas.
Sobrang.
Congrats.
Di ba di ka matawag?
Muhammad Mustafa Surat Ali. Congrats. Angelo si Kenneth. And Ashleya Nicole Vasquez. Congratulations everyone for completing your youth volunteer coordination course. Okay. So, before we continue na
Dito ka
ito,
naman.
Wala.
para sa mga wala dito, huwag kayo magdalala for sure, hindi lang ito ang OPYS team na i-organize ng ating Red Cross Council here in the Clara Elementary School, Central. Okay?
Photographer ako dito ah.